What's up guys, Ackeem here. Now in this video we're going to do the unboxing of this Seovix lighting. So this basically used in your garage, outdoor or any farm of area that you want to put this guys. Basically waterproof, so you don't have matter of rain falling and wet up. It's right here. Just unbox it, let you guys see what's inside. You can see guys, inside right here we have a plug and we can basically have two sockets. We have a reset right here, test right here that we can basically reset or test it. As you can see, inside there some wiring but we can basically run it over current. And please guys, ensure that you turn off your breaker before you try to install this to prevent any current shock. As you can see right here, we have some bit of mount that we can mount it on the wall. We can pull off this part right here, you can mount it on the wall. So basically this is the mount right here that I basically detached from right here, which is basically can attach right here. These are some mount. So these are decorative screw that we can use to put it back. And these are some screw right here. This one is going to mount on the wall. Also guys, these are the screw that we're going to use to mount it on the wall. And also this is the panel right here, looking something like this. And this part right here can attach onto this right here. So I'm going to attach it right now. If you guys see, just going to screw off this part right here. I'm going to attach this part now onto it like this, as you can see. Then we're going to screw it up back into place. So you know, look something like this, very neat, as you can see guys. So we can screw our bulb right inside right here. Alright guys, so basically I'm going to install the light on the wall right here, as you can see. So please check the instruction manual for the tool that you're going to use for the installation. First guys, what I want to do right there is to mount this on the wall. As you can see guys, I have now installed this part right here onto the wall. She's looking pretty fine so far. Right, guys, so now I'm going to install my light panel right here onto this. Guys, before we do that, we're going to connect our power cable right here. As you can see, we have these two wires right here. We're just going to connect them to that white wire and that black wire right there, so that it can get current into this before we actually hook it up to the mount. As you can see there guys, now I've connected my wires right now, so I'm just going to place it onto this right here. Guys, as you can see right here, I've now installed it. What I'm going to do next is to screw on my screw right here onto this to cover the screw right here. As you can see guys, now I have installed light right here. As you can see right here, we have an extra panel of socket right here. We can plug in something into right here. As you can see right here guys, the light is not hooked up, so once it is become dark, it will basically show in the dark. So this is the sensor right here. So once I cover it like this, you can see the light will basically turn on once I cover the sensor. As you can see, cover like this, it basically turns on and off. As you can see guys, the light is really bright. You can see right there, very bright. All around you can see right there.